In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to curve text around a circle in Canva. This simple technique is perfect for logos, badges, stickers, and standout social posts. I'll walk you through each step, explain what the tools do, and share a few practical tips so your curved text looks clean and professional. Start by opening your Canva design. We'll set up a circular guide first. Go to the Elements tab, choose Shapes, and click on the circle. Drag the corners to resize it to the rough diameter you want for your final text. Then position it where your design needs it. Think of this circle as your pathway. The text will follow its edge. If it helps you focus on the text later, you can temporarily reduce the circle's visual dominance by making it smaller or moving it slightly aside, but keep it handy as your reference. Next, add your text. Click the Text tab and choose a heading, subheading, or body text, depending on how bold or subtle you want the lettering to be. Type your words exactly as you want them to appear. Shorter phrases curve more neatly, and all caps can give a polished, badge-like look, though mixed case works fine too. Don't worry if it looks straight and plain for now. We'll style it once it's curved. Now let's apply the curve. Select your text so the top toolbar appears, then click Effects. Under Text Effects, choose Curve. You'll see a slider that controls how much the text bends. Push the slider toward positive numbers to make the text arc upward, perfect for the top of a circle. Pull it into negative numbers to curve downward, great for text that hugs the bottom. Start with moderate values and adjust gradually. The tighter the curve, the higher the value you'll need, but avoid extremes that squash letters. Finally, refine the fit and placement. Use the rotation handle to spin your text until it aligns with the circle's edge, and drag it closer or farther to match the curvature visually. Resize the text so it hugs the circle comfortably without stretching beyond the edge. Tweak letter spacing to reduce gaps or prevent crowding, and adjust line spacing if you're curving multiple lines. Try different fonts for readability, and pick colors with strong contrast against your background. Zoom in to check edges and spacing, and use Canva's alignment guides to center everything precisely. That's it. Circle added, text curved, and layout polished. With a few careful adjustments, your curved text will look intentional, balanced, and ready to share.